Everyone is leaving the road. Guys, so welcome back to another reaction video. You guys, I'm checking out how Germans react to ambulance. Okay, let's check this out. Wow, everyone is leaving the road. They're making way for the ambulance to pass. That's beautiful. You guys, that's sweet. You guys, I've never been to Germany, but I don't know why. Like, is there a rule under your driver license agreement that when you hear the siren or the ping pong of the ambulance, you should automatically create a space for the ambulance to pass, because that are people rescuing people's life. Because the way everyone is trying to leave the road, everyone is trying to shift out of the road, is like there is law behind this. Okay, I feel if there's actually a law behind this, that is a sweet one. That is a sweet one, because you can really tell, because you could tell that there's an hold up at a particular space, but the way the road was cleared for the ambulance to pass, I'm like, oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow. Wow. You guys, they're actually going. You could tell that they are going to somewhere. Something had occurred. Oh, you guys, you can tell that they are trying to go rescue something, rescue people that have had some accident. And I love the fact that the road was cleared. That is a very sweet one. I feel like Germany has a very strong law backing up with the ambulance, and how you have to clear the road, and how you have to make it possible for the ambulance to pass at any possible time you hear the sounding. And that is so beautiful. That is amazing, because these ambulance are people that help people when they have unforeseen circumstances happening to them, such as accidents. Okay, but seeing this really shocked me, because I'm like, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.